What's up, guys? My name is Matt Wolverine. I'm going to do another unboxing video. Today, a puzzle has arrived, which is I have one from eBay a couple of days ago, and it's brand new, and it's the same company who done Captain Scarlet, and it's a TV series, and it is Thunderbirds complete collection. So, without further ado, let's unbox this. Right, here's a box set cover. Here are the Tracy brothers. Here are Scott, Virgil, Gordon, Alan, and John, who can control all Thunderbirds machines, vehicles. And there's Thunderbird 1, Thunderbird 2, and there's a Tracy Island where they live. Well, and it has included no strings attached documentary to making of Thunderbirds All Go. And it's rated U. Here's a spine. And it contains 10 discs. And it contains 32 episodes. And here's a back. Here's the pictures for the series. And the runtime is 1,668 minutes long, because each episode is 50 minutes long. And if Ready Do contains nothing. Oh, it's the same as the box set. Maybe I should open this one first. Anyway. Right then, here are discs 1. Oh, there we go. Contain 4 episodes. Disc 2. Whoop. There we go. Okay, where was I? Oh. It contains 4 episodes. Disc 3. Disc 4. Disc 5. Disc 6. Disc 7. The Disc 8. The Disc 9, which is a Thunderbirds companion. Disc 10 for a documentary. Oh. Right, I have seen the series. Well, not the whole thing. I've seen some of it as a kid when I watched it on TV, and I want to see more of it. And I've seen the movies, which is called Thunderbirds All Go. I used to go on Tuesday. Maybe I should get that one as well. And Thunderbirds 6. They both good movies, and they did a live action movie. And I used to have it on VHS. It's alright. Live action version is alright. Right. I was looking forward to watch this soon. And yeah, that's it. That's all. That's it for this video. And you're a fan of Thunderbirds. What are your favorite Tracy family members? Let me know in the comments below. And what are your favorite Thunderbirds vehicles? Again, let me know in the comments below. But for me, it's Thunderbird 1 because they are actually really cool design. And for family member, I say Scott and Alan. So yeah, if you like this series, what do you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more video. My name is Matt Wolverine, and I see you guys in the next video.